There are a lot of great keyboard shortcuts that you should try to start learning right away. So I'm putting them so close to the beginning of this. So what I would love for you to do is follow along. You're going to have to rewatch it several times. We also have a list you can print out, but here we go. To create a new note, hit Command N. That creates your new note. If you want to start typing, because the cursor is right here in the title area. But I want to jump up to the tags area. How do I do that? I hit Command and then apostrophe. That'll jump up to the tags. And start typing a tag, hit Enter. Now I've tagged it. I'm going to go back here to the Compose area. Now let's just say I want to change the text. Well, hit Command T for text, and you can choose different text. Hit Command T again, it'll turn off the text. If I want to create a bulleted list, I hit Shift Command O. Sorry, that's a numbered list. There we go. If you ever want to end a list, just hit Enter twice. See right there it says 3. If I enter again, I did not add anything for number 3, so it'll skip down and go back to my regular formatting. That's Shift Command O. Shift Command U is a bulleted list. I'm going to enter twice. Now it's stopped that. If I want to do a task, Shift Command T for task. And that can be a task list. Hit Enter twice. It will stop doing task lists. Again, you can check those off if they're done or not. If I want to create a horizontal line, which is this button right here, I hit Shift Command H. Again, these are not all of them, but this is a lot of the keyboard shortcuts. So if I want to jump to a tag very quickly, one of the things I can do, and this is kind of a neat one, is Shift Command J, and that's going to open up this little function right here. So Shift Command J, so think of jump to a tag, and I can just start typing the name of the tag right there, and that'll jump to it. All right, and that'll jump to all the notes that are tagged with that. But if I wanted to jump to all of my tags, or all of my notes, or all of my notebooks, remember these 3. Option Command 1, 2, or 3. Option Command 1 shows me all of my notes. Actually, I need to turn off that tag search. Option Command 1 takes me to all of my notes. Option Command 2 takes me to all my notebooks. And Option Command 3 takes me to all of my notes. If you want to navigate in between different notes using this backward and forward button, then you can either click this button or hit Command and then bracket, which is the letter, the key next to the letter P. So you can hit the forward and backwards, and you're navigating between notes. You're basically clicking these without doing it with your mouse. So those are the big ones. The most common one I use, honestly, is to turn my sidebar on and off. I use Command Option S, and that turns my sidebar on and off. Now, where do you get all these? I've got a list. I'll include the ones that I use most often, but you can also go up here and see these are all the shortcuts that are built into the program. So use those keyboard shortcuts. It will make your Evernote experience much better.